So you want to create better reels and better TikTok videos for your business, but there's just so much information out there. You don't know where to get started. It leaves you more confused, and you don't know which tips you should actually execute on. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 simple strategies that you can apply that's going to help you create better Instagram reels and better TikTok videos for your business. To start off with, I'm Cheri. I'm a social media strategist. If you're new around here, I help busy business owners just like you create better content for social media. If you are not familiar with my brand or my story, really started my business by going out in my local city, just pitching my services to anybody who would have me. I'm like, hey, let me help you create a promo video, or I can do this and I can do that. And that's really where it all started with me. I just knew I had a passion for creating video, and y'all, I really just put myself out there. And my #1 goal is to help you have that same confidence in yourself and help you understand the importance of video marketing, how it can help transform your business, how it can just, lead you and put you in rooms that you just never ever imagine you can be in, and how it can even help you work with your dream client. I want to be able to give you all of the tools and the resources and even the confidence that you need to make it all happen for yourself. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm only going to give you 3 tips in this video, but for a full, long, lengthy list of even more tips and tricks to help you grow your online presence, make sure you take advantage of my online marketing roadmap. You can find out more about it in the comments down below. First step to creating better reels and better TikTok videos are to script your videos. Now, disclaimer, because you don't have to script every single last video, but some of the videos that you create, they need to be purposeful. They need to have a meaning behind it, and those are the ones that you want to sit down and script, because you want to make sure you have all of the moving parts to create a purposeful video that's going to land eyes or sales back to your business. The whole point of this. For example, like a call to action, which is extremely impactful on your, video's performance. We'll talk about that later at the end of the video, but just making sure you have a solid script. It's so important. And it doesn't need to be word from word. I think that's another misconception. Your script does not have to be word from word. Just like I have a script now on my phone. Like I script this video. Mainly I have bullet points because there are certain things that I want to touch on in this video, so I need to make sure I write them down. Somebody like me, I will get on camera and I will just start talking. I'll start at A, I end up at F, back to Z. Then I get overwhelmed because I feel like it's not making sense. So for me, having a script definitely helps. There is this tool that I'm gonna reference back to every single time. No, this video is not sponsored, but this tool is a game changer, and it's called Copy AI. If you want to find out more about it, I'll leave it down in the description box below. But Copy AI is a tool that's going to basically help you accomplish everything that I tell you about in this video. And I'll do some screen shares, later, just so you can kind of see how it works. So if you go into Copy AI, it basically helps you do everything. It's an artificial intelligence tool that helps you write better copy, but it doesn't just do that. It also helps you generate content ideas. You can just put in a topic and it will give you so many content ideas. Then you can even take those content ideas and you can go to the short hook or hook generator, and then you could use that feature to get a hook. Okay, we're going to go into that second, to get a hook that's going to grab the person's attention. So that just brings me to #2. I might as well go ahead and get into it. Have a better hook. Having a hook is what's going to stop the scroll. Okay, that is the whole point of creating videos, because you want to stop the scroll. You want to get the attention of the end user, and you want to get it almost immediately. Copy AI will give you hooks. They will give you the scroll stopping hooks. You don't even have to think of them. You just go into Copy AI again. You do your due diligence by giving the robot the information that it needs, and then voila, boom, it'll give you a hook. And then another thing about hooks, and this is something that I see that works, especially on TikTok, like it really does. Go look at your past videos and see, were there any that perform well look at the hooks that were on those videos and either reuse them or just remix them and switch them up a bit. Another little tip about using a good hook is you don't want to use so many words. There does not need to be so many words in your hooks. Like, people just don't have a lot of time. They are pressed for time, and especially on TikTok. So if you have too many words in your hook, depending on who that person is, now this may not apply to everybody, because if you do have like die-hard fans over there, no matter what you post, they're gonna stop and they're gonna read it. But remember, we're making videos for new eyes. We're not just always making videos for our current followers. So you want to pull in those new eyes by not having the hooks be so congested. Maybe use like I would say even 5 words or less if you can. And then my last tip for you when selecting a good video hook is to make sure you don't start it with okay? That will turn somebody off very quick. People want to know what's in it for them. They want to know, how is this piece of content going to help me, them? How's it going to help them? And if you start your hooks off with you will find yourself very disappointed, and people will like turn away from your content. So always kind of start it with a you statement or something that is directed towards them to make them feel like that video is just for them as soon as they land on it. I didn't realize how quickly I ran through number 1, so I just want to make sure you guys caught that. The first one was to script your videos, and again, you can do the whole scripting process using Copy AI. Second one was to use better scroll stopping hooks that will keep people engaged on your video like the entire way through, okay? And the very last one, guys, is to switch up your CTA. This is the very important piece that I talked about in the beginning of this video. Switch up your CTA. If you don't know what a CTA is, it stands for call to action. And this is the action that you want the end user to take after they've watched your video. What do you want them to do? Because you should always want them to do something. Now, again, another disclaimer, I cannot say that you have to have a call to action on every single video, because I don't do this. And I would never teach y'all something that I don't do. Now, my more purposeful videos, my more evergreen videos, yes, okay, I will strategically add a call to action, because those pieces of content are usually the type of content that I want somebody to take an action on, okay? Copy AI, y'all, you can get call to action ideas from Copy AI, because I know this is a struggle for a lot of people. They don't know what to say. Use Copy AI to help you get it up and going, but just remember, don't give people too many options, because when you give people too many options, they get confused, they get flustered, and then they make no selection. Usually what happens is they keep scrolling, and because of how the algorithm works in our favor, they will end up going to somebody else's video that was trying to serve the same purpose as your video. Now that person has only provided one clear call to action, and they will take action on that one because you gave them too many options. So just be mindful of that. And again, don't get frustrated if you forget to add a call to action to your videos, and then sometimes you'll be surprised. Just keep them very simple, because sometimes I'll tell my audience to, hey, like this video if it resonates with you, or drop your favorite emoji below, or share this video to your story, like if we're on Instagram or something like that. Keep your call to actions simple. Don't overdo it. If your goal is to actually have somebody take action on your post, don't give them too many options. So I do want to go ahead and say, I just want to put it out there that this video is not sponsored. I just really want to spread the word. I want to get the message out there about this tool, Copy AI, because in my opinion, I don't think enough people are using it and enough people are not talking about it. And it is a great tool. Like, I use it every day, and it just helps save so much time. And like I said, it can basically help you build a full-on video. You know, the only thing that you can't do is record inside of it. But as far as like everything else, keywords, like everything that you need to create a video, y'all, this tool will help you get started. And if you want to see me do a full-on tutorial on how I really use Copy AI, let me know in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, if I left off any tips that you use yourself to create better reels and create better TikToks, leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next week with a brand new video. Bye-bye. Wait, I'm not gonna say that word. I talked very fast. I always mess that word up. Okay.